Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about our last two string functions, which are ends with and starts with. Ends with and starts with are both basically a boolean type of string functions, which gives us answer as true or false. It basically checks whether a specified string is present in the starting position for starts with and the ending position for ends with. It basically checks the whole string. To understand this better, let's write a suitable program in which both the string functions will be present. So let's first declare and initialize a string. String A is equal to yellow, blue, green, red, semicolon. Next, we will declare few more strings like string B is equal to yellow. Next, we will declare third string C is equal to green, semicolon. Now we will check for the string B, which is yellow, in the string A whether it is present in the starting position or not. So let's write boolean D is equal to A dot, because we want to check in the string A, starts with B, and we will write the next statement boolean C is equal to A dot ends with and in bracket C. This statement will check whether the string C is present at the end of the string A. Now let us give our output as A, B, C, and a semicolon at the end, and the resultant output, which will be the answers for the verified statement starts with and ends with, which is D and E. Let's compile this. It is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this program. As you can see on your screen, the first statement which was placed in string A is yellow, blue, red, and the string B which we initialized was yellow, and string C which we initialized was green. Next, we checked the statement yellow for the first position and green for the last, and as you can see, yellow is present on the first position, so system gave us output as true. But the green was not present at the last position, hence it did satisfy the string function ends with and gave us output as false. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you.